Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file business taxes with no income step by step. Gather your EIN and basic records, then verify your business entity type to choose the right form. Know which deductions still apply and clearly document expenses even with zero revenue. Prepare to report zero income honestly, attach required schedules, and e-file or mail your return by the deadline to avoid penalties. Decide which federal form fits your entity before preparing anything else. If you are a sole proprietor, include Schedule C on Form 1040 and report expenses. Partnerships use Form 1065 with K1. Corporations file Form 1120 or 1120S. Even with no income, some forms require schedules or statements to explain zero revenue. Double-check state filing requirements. Track every deductible expense, like supplies, home office, and business mileage, even in a zero-income year. Keep clear receipts, digital copies, and mileage logs for at least 3 years in case of audit. If expenses exceed income, understand net operating loss rules so you can carry losses forward when profitable. Consult a tax pro for complex situations, but maintain good records so filings are accurate and defensible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.